y'all, welcome back to the channel, J Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing upcycling this week. We're going to be doing some upcycling, y'all. I'm excited about it because I'm planning on creating something scrumptious for the Milwaukee's largest stepping contest on August 24th. So I need something to wear. So we need to get on the sewing table and get something out of that bin, the blue jean bin, and start working on something. I'm sharing with you guys how I get my motivation, how I move forward with creating a design. And I've been dreaming about it. It's been in my head, and I think I have a plan. But I wanted to share with you guys how I get my motivation, and that is through Pinterest. So I go on Pinterest and I, scan the pages and see what's out there, what's trending and what's going on. So with that said, we're going to get into this video. So if you want to know what's going on, stick around and come on, let's get to this video, y'all. Which way we going? I don't know, but we going some kind of way. See y'all in the video. Bye. Jay, and I am sitting here on Pinterest because this is where excuse me, I get my inspiration for upcycles. So I wanted to share with you guys how I go about looking at different things and finding what I might want to put together. I planned on making an outfit for I can't even get it right for what is it? August 24th. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I'm planning on making an upcycle outfit for August 24th. Most of the upcycle things that I have been wearing have been getting great reviews. And even when I've started to wear them out, people are really like, did you make that? And I'm like, yes, I did. But anyway, I am searching and searching and searching and trying to figure out what I want to make. And I know I want to make a dress, and I know I want it to be jean oriented. I'm just looking for what kind of top to put together, what kind of bottom to put together, if it should be one piece or whatever. But this is where I get a lot of my inspiration from. Or sometimes I just lay things on my table and take a look at it and just start going, and whatever happens, happens. Now, I've done a couple of bustier things, so I don't know if I want to do anything like that, but I am liking this right here. So I'm going to save it. Okay, I like that top. I like this top. Okay, so I don't know. It's a matter of what the bottom should look like, and I don't know if I want it to be long or if I want it to be short. And I ain't trying to have all my business out here, but yeah, okay. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and as soon as I come up with something, I'll come back and share with you guys when I'm upstairs in my sewing room. I'll come back and share what I'm doing. I like this top too, so I'm going to save that. I like this bottom here. I like this bottom of this skirt. Yeah, so let me save it. So yeah, this is how I get my inspiration, you guys. And then I just make it happen. Like I said, I just make it happen. Sometimes it don't turn out exactly right, but that's the point. For it to be my own creation, my own, aesthetics. So yeah, I'm getting more back into my upcycle. I am doing some sewing. So for those who like the sewing part of the channel, I haven't forgotten about it. But right now I'm kind of like in my love for upcycling because it's doing me justice, and I can make them really, really fit the way I have. And the reason for that is because I've been having some issues with sewing shorts for your girl, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm probably gonna have to draft my own pattern. Never done that before, but I plan on trying to learn how to do it so that I can make things that are specifically comfortable to my shape. So I am the full figure girly. I like these circles. I'm thinking I might be leaning towards these circles or a top as well. And I do have something like this. So this might be it, y'all. I think I might do this right here and add a, I don't know, maybe even a skirt up under it. I don't know, something cute. But this, I have a dress that I can cut up. This might be it. Let me save this. I'm gonna save image. I'm gonna save the image as blue jean circle. Okay. And then I also saved a picture of this grommet dress that I may make one day soon. So let me share that with you guys as well. Isn't she cute? I think I could work her. I really do think I could work her. This is the Kylie Jenner dress, I think it is. So yeah, thinking about that one. So that's how I do it, you guys. And like I said, I think this might be a winner here with this top. This won't be my top. It won't look like this, but I do have a dress that's like this where I can attach some circles to it because I got a whole bunch of jeans upstairs. Y'all seen that bin that I think I shared? I think I shared it with y'all, the bin full of jean stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm gonna get to it. And so um I guess I will catch you guys in the next video because I am going to be going on vacation. So I'm going to try to sew a bunch of things before I go. I'm not going this week. I'm just going to be pretty much babysitting this first week. And the second week, we're going camping, glamping. If y'all want to see some of that, I share it with you. I don't know if you do, but if not, that's fine. Um, let's see. Let me see what the back of this looks like. Okay, she got it buttoned down. I ain't trying to button no stuff right now. But yeah, so let me get the getting upstairs and cutting. This thing is $657. You see this? Y'all see this? 657 for that top right there. And here go many more. So once you click on something, more things pop up and you can see it. And yeah. So here are other. See, this is. Oof. See now they done messed me up now, y'all. Look. But yeah, I think the circle thing gonna be it. I think I'm gonna do that because I've seen a couple of upcyclers and DIYers do the circle stuff, and I think I want to do the circle stuff. This is nice too. I like this dress. I'll save that. Save that. This is cute. I'm gonna save this. Cute high-waisted skirt. Oh my. It's definitely motivation. I gotta download this one. Okay, now let's go back. Yeah. So this is where I get my motivation and inspiration from. And so, yeah, I got to get to working, y'all, because it's going to take me a minute to cut out all them circles. If that's what I decide to do, because that's a lot of circles. A lot of circles. But I don't know. Mine might not be circles. They might be squares. Who knows? See, I like this too. I'm just going to save that one. So, yeah, if you're looking for inspiration, Pinterest is the place to go. Um, get your ideas. Like even this is cute to me. It's confusing, but it's cute. So, ooh, not bothering me. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be working on. So I'll bring y'all in on the process once I get the circle started. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do, I think. Oh, that's a cute way to do circles too. But I don't know if I like it so much as the loose circles. Let's say, did I save this? I think I'm saving it again. Let's see. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you long. I'm gonna let you go. But this is my process, and I wanted to share it with you guys and let you know what's going on, what I'm doing, what I'm gonna be working on. So yeah, with that said, thank you for joining Jay So Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we're doing some upcycling, y'all. We're gonna be doing some upcycling.